Hi there, we just finished this collection in oak, and in this video I want to share some details with you on how we did it. The side rails and the footboard is fully solid oak. The headboard and the frame here is solid oak and it's 45 mm, which is pretty thick. This part with the diagonal lines, solid oak, and this part here is MDF veneer. With the bedside, the legs are solid oak and the body part is MDF veneer here, and the drawer front is MDF veneer. With MDF veneer, it assures us that the product won't crack, so it's safe. Also, the finish on the veneer is nicer and it's clean, neat look. There are no notes, so we can control it easier. Next, this support bar either can be in wood or metal. Wood will be cheaper. With wood we can just paint it in dark color and it's going to look like metal, and unless you touch it you won't see the difference. On bedroom, here we put the wood just for the comparison, and on the dining range we put the metal. So I just wanted to highlight some details on this product and how we did it. Even the back of the bedside is made in an accurate way, and we put the MDF veneer here, which is clean and nice. Tall boy, we are matching the diagonal line, same as in the headboard, as part of the design. And when we open the door is MDF veneer in oak, so you can see this, it's all done in oak here. On the side here is a different type of veneer, but finished in oak color, and final consumer won't be able to see it anyway or complain about it. So the drawers, again, this is MDF veneer, and with this bedside we applied a different finish just to show what we can do, and then when we ship it to the customer he will be able to pick the color which he wants us to use for the mass production. And here we have dining with a beautiful finish. The frame is made of solid oak, and this part of the panel is MDF veneer. The legs are made of solid oak as well, and we made them with in a special shape. Then the support bar here is metal. We can make it out of wood if you want to save money and paint it in black, and the final consumer won't see the difference unless you touch it. Then we have the sideboard here, and we are repeating the feature of this collection, the diagonal line, and it seems it's working. So once we open here, all inside is MDF veneer as well, including the aging here, and it's nicely done. You won't be able to tell that it's actually not solid wood, so this is great. And the only part here on the side is a regular veneer, again painted in oak color, so the final consumer won't be able to tell. The only question mark we have at the moment is this metal bar, right? Like once we sit here, it can work. For my legs it does not feel uncomfortable, but then I cannot swing them, right? So for the mass production, we will ask our customer what they want us to do. We can lift it up higher Like this way there will be more room for us to move the legs, but at this stage this is how we will ship the samples, and we make final decision later.